today's world where environmental concerns are at the forefront of our minds, the need for sustainable technology has never been more pressing. The green tech revolution is upon us and it's transforming the way we generate energy, power our homes and live our lives. In this video, we will delve into the exciting world of sustainable technology and explore the innovations that are paving the way for a greener future. The effects of climate change are becoming increasingly evident with rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. The burning of fossil fuels is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and we need to find cleaner, more sustainable ways to power our world. This is where sustainable technology comes in. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower offer a promising solution to our energy needs. These sources are abundant, sustainable, and have minimal environmental impact. Advances in solar and wind technology have made them more cost-effective and efficient, paving the way for a wider adoption of renewables. Our homes are significant energy consumers, and making them more energy efficient can make a substantial impact on our environmental footprint. Green homes incorporate sustainable design principles utilizing energy-efficient appliances, smart lighting systems, and proper insulation to reduce energy consumption. Transportation is another major source of greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicles (EVs) are gaining popularity as a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. EVs offer zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and contributing to cleaner air quality. Technology plays a crucial role in accelerating the green tech revolution. Researchers and innovators are constantly developing new and improved sustainable technologies, from advanced batteries for EVs to smart grid systems for managing renewable energy supplies. Sustainable technology is not only beneficial for the environment but also has a positive impact on our lives. Green homes offer lower energy costs, EVs provide a quieter and more enjoyable driving experience, and renewable energy sources reduce reliance on fossil fuels, promoting energy independence. The green tech revolution is gaining momentum, and with continued innovation and adoption, we can create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Sustainable technology is not just about saving the planet, it's about creating a healthier, more resilient and prosperous future for all. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.